Hello YouTube and friends. In this new episode we are going to understand about JSON Web Token, as you can see here, JWT. So JWT is called JSON Web Token, which is a very popular authentication mechanism that can be used for front end and a back end. So in this context we will be focusing on the back end, which is Node.Js. So let's understand this diagram first. So before I go into the diagram, I want to introduce you to appdiagrams.net, which is a very user-friendly drawing interface where you can generate this type of diagrams. So hopefully this adds some extra tips to your pockets. Okay. So I have created this diagram, and thanks to this website, which is appdiagrams.net. So let us go into the more understanding or deep dive into the JWT. JWT is a dependency package that we need to install. Later on we will go into the coding, so don't worry about coding now. Let's understand the flow first. So JWT is a dependency that we'll be installing, and JWT does what? Let's see. Let's say we have the user, which comprises of ID, username and name. Probably it could have email and such things. Then we sign in, which is login with a secret code, and immediately JWT mechanism generates a token which is sent to the front end. So the whole mechanism is to deliver a token to the front end. Then we see the reverse process now. Here you can see the reverse process. In the reverse process, the front end for authentication, it is having the token which was sent from the server, and then the token is then together with the secret which was used initially. This secret is then used to verify. So once the verification is done, we will be getting the user, and the reverse process happens where we can get the ID, username and name. So this is how the whole mechanism works. This will be the forward loop and this will be the backward loop. So both process I have explained here, and here we can call it as a sign in, and here we call it as verify. So that is the difference, guys. So let's go into the code later in the next video. Please keep watching and subscribe to my channel and like it. Have a good day and bye bye.